Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for Sips By. This is a monthly tea subscription. Right on top we have a little card that says tea. Looks like it's a gift card for your first time purchase in case anybody would like to use that code. And just some more information about that code. So this is my November tea box, and we have all the teas and more information. I'll set that aside for now. Show it again at the end. I've been seeing a lot from this brand. I think the other one was a blueberry one. It's a matcha and blueberry I got last time. Let's say there's usually 4, so here's the 4th one. This time we have a cinnamon and ginger. And your teas might be completely different than mine because you do fill out a profile of what kind of stuff you like, so keep that in mind. Also have my favorite little reusable tea bags. Love these things. Then next up we have rosehip, hibiscus, and cherry tea. That sounds interesting. Got 4 of those. Then we have some loose leaf tea, cacao kisses, and that's Colombian tea with the steeping instructions on the back. And the last one is maple syrup oolong, sweet butter pancakes. That sounds really good. And this is by David's Tea, which is a pretty good tea brand. And again, this is a loose leaf tea, so you can use those tea bags on. And then they also included some more information about, I guess it's Ahmad tea. I don't know if I said that right, but they have all sorts of teas, and there's this little card about that. So, and the back of the card has all the teas, steeping times, caffeine levels, and promo codes in case you want to order more from these companies. So that's what I got this month. If you guys are interested, I have a promo code below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.